and that is the story of my life. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about how I get dressed when I'm getting late for a party and get a full face of glam on. This is my go-to glam makeup, which I'm sure you guys will be able to achieve under 5 minutes, I promise. So I first start off with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is beautiful to cover all sorts of imperfections. You don't need to add like 15 layers of it because it's so full coverage. Then I like to go in with some Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Foundation Base. This is amazing because it doesn't move and helps me stay matte even while I'm dancing my head off. I then go in with the MAC Amber Times 9 eyeshadow palette. This again is a holy grail eyeshadow palette. It has the right shades of brown and gold. I'm adding the brown to the crease, then adding the gold with my fingers because that's quicker into the inner corners, adding a lighter shade to the brow bone, and finishing the eyeshadow look with a dark brown shade on the lower lash line and on the outer edges of my eye to give it that nice definition that I need for this night out. I then go in with eyeliner. Bobbi Brown's gel eyeliner is something that I've been using for years now, and it's amazing. It stays in place, doesn't move at all, and because it's a gel eyeliner, I can create the perfect wing that is just so easy to do and also looks good with almost every kind of outfit. So wing liner for the win. For mascara, I'm going in with the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. This is my trusty mascara. I use it every time if I want long, thick and curled lashes. So this works perfectly for me. This blush I picked up after reading that it made it to the Oscars official beauty kit this year. So I just quickly went on Myntra and bought it, and oh my god, it melts into your skin like butter. It's such a perfect pinky flushy tone. It just is gorgeous. Well, let's not kid ourselves. We all love to glow, and that's why highlighter is the best part about a girl's makeup. And I'm using this shimmer brick, which is my go-to. Just dabbing it on to the high points of my cheek, blending it into my skin, and finally going in with a very pretty red shade, which is the Ruby Woo. Well, never has a better shade been invented ever. And that's about it, guys. I just quickly straighten my hair because of course I don't have the time to curl them up. I'm in a rush, remember? And that completes my look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get my glam on in literally less than 5 minutes. These are some holy grail products that I literally swear by, and if you guys want to shop them too, then do not forget to log on to myntra.com right now. I'll leave the link down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel also, and of course give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below, tell me how you get ready if you're running short on time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!